Nothing is more annoying than a throbbingly painful toothache. Due to the unbearable pain, a toothache has an impact on your mood and willingness to do common everyday tasks. Teeth pain is common for adults and children, with tooth decay as a common cause. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the best home remedies for toothache pain relief. If you're experiencing tooth pain and this video helps you at all, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. It will help us a lot. Tooth decay is a result of bacteria that lives inside of your mouth. When you don't always brush your teeth right after eating, the bacteria, which feeds on leftover starches and sugars from the food you eat, forms a clinging plaque on the surface of your teeth. The acids formed by the bacteria can penetrate through the enamel of the tooth, creating a cavity. This will then result in a painful sensation that is generally called a toothache. Treating a toothache depends on the intensity and nature of your pain. When the pain is extreme, we highly recommend that you contact the dentist. They will be able to help you get some medication for the pain. However, prescription drugs and medications have certain side effects when taken frequently. Because of this, teeth pain relief remedies are the best options to take as an alternative to medication or drugs. Although these remedies are only recommended for mild cases of teeth pain, these options are becoming quite popular because they are safe, effective, and can be done right in the comfort of your home. Here are 6 simple toothache pain relief remedies. Number 1. Hand ice massage. One of the best remedies for a toothache is a hand ice massage. Just gently rub a piece of ice on the area for a couple of minutes. The ice stimulates the pain impulses that generally travel in the nerve pathways. In addition, a patch of ice placed directly on an aching tooth helps alleviate the pain. Number 2. An onion. Since onions are known to have antibacterial properties that can kill germs and bacteria in the mouth, placing a tiny piece of onion on the aching tooth can lessen the pain. Number 3. Garlic. Aside from onion, garlic is also known to be an effective remedy for an aching tooth. To try this kind of teeth pain reliever, you just need to place a clove of garlic with salt on the area of the tooth that is in pain. Number 4. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass, when turned into a juice, is a perfect alternative to mouthwash that prevents tooth decay. This remedy takes care of bacterial formation in the mouth as well as removes gum toxins. Number 5. A lime. Known as a rich source of vitamin C, a lime is a good toothache cure as it effectively prevents tooth decay. Number 6. Salt. Salt when mixed with water is a great treatment that counters tooth infection, and it aids in alleviating tooth pain. Rinsing the mouth with salt water every day helps prevent tooth decay and other mouth-related complications. Toothaches can trigger at any time, and though they may seem like simple pain, ignoring them can lead to even more intense pain. Once a mild toothache strikes, try to use one of the easy home remedies we talked about as an alternative to cure the pain. However, it is still best to consult a dentist to know the complications of the aching tooth. Thank you for watching our video. If this information helped you in any way, please consider clicking the like button, subscribing to our channel, and watching one of our other videos.